Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coderslobby. So in many of the scenarios you have seen that whenever we extract the data from the PDF file and store it into the Excel file into one column, it gets stored in the form of string. So let me show you the Excel file, what kind of Excel file you might get, and I have created just a sample data for that. So let's wait for this to open. Okay, so you can see we have the data in this Excel file with the separator. So what we have to do is we have to separate this one column data into three columns, like name should be in the A column, class should be in the B column, and roll number should be in the C column. So that would be our actual data table. So this we are going to implement in UiPath today. So let's move to the UiPath Studio, and there we will implement the code for this. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to read the file. So for that we'll use the read range activity. Okay, so we will use read range workbook activity. Okay, let's select the workbook from here, and the sheet name was sheet 1, and our data table will leave it blank, and let's select the output data table as input data table as input data. Right, now we will use the build data table activity to build the structure of our input output data table. So let's delete this. We'll add class column, and at the end we'll use roll number column, and the first column was our name. All right, so let's click OK. Let's select the data table as output data. Here we will use assign activity, and we will write the linq in that assign activity. Alright, so our linq would be from row in, we'll select our input data table dot as enumerable. Alright, here we'll select use the select method, and we'll select our output data table. We'll use dot load data row method. Inside this we'll use new object. Okay, the curly braces will be there, dot copy to data table, and inside this curly braces we will pass our rows. So we want the row 0 dot to string dot split we'll use, and we'll split it on the basis of the separator that we have, and we want the index of 0 value dot trim method. Alright, so this way we got the row name, and this in this we will get the class from index 1, and from index 2 we'll get the row number. So this is done. Let's click OK. Now let's write this data table to the same file. We'll use write range, and we are going to write in the same file. So let's select the same file, and our sheet name would be 2. So in the data table property we will pass our output data table, and as we have seen that the first row contains the header of this data table, so we do not want that row. So for that we'll use the we'll filter that data table. We'll use function of x of 0th column dot to string dot equals name dot copy also we want to skip it, so here we have to give as not. Okay, so now let's debug the code and we'll check the output. Okay, the execution has been done. Now let's open the file and check the output. I think I forgot to add the header, so let's see. Okay, I forgot to check the header in the right range activity. So let's check the header. Okay, and let's close this file. We'll debug it again and then check out. Okay, so done. Let's open the file, go to sheet 2, and boom, you can see we have converted this one column data into this three column data. So this is how we can split the one column data into multiple columns. So I hope you have learned something new from this video. So if this is the case, please like and share the video, and also don't forget to hit on the red button so that you will get the update whenever we post the new videos to our channel. So with this, let's wrap up this and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching the video.